Whoa, the timeline never forgets, and Trevor Noah just found out the hard way. After cracking jokes at the Grammys and casually linking US President Donald Trump to convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein, Trevor is now facing threats of a defamation lawsuit. But while Trump's camp is heated, social media did what it does best: digged up receipts. An old 2022 tweet of Trevor has resurfaced where he joked, "People who have children should be arrested for tempting child molesters." Yep, the timeline was stunned. Now, context matters. The tweet was part of a satirical thread mocking Swaziland, now Eswatini, police who once blamed women's clothing for tempting rapists. Trevor even followed it up with jokes like, "Arrest people with nice things for provoking robbers." But online context got lost. The minor's tweet went viral, with many questioning Trevor's sense of humor, especially given the Epstein connection. This isn't his first tweet resurrection either. In 2022, old jokes about the Jewish community landed him in hot water. Trevor has since said those jokes don't reflect who he is today. Moral of the story: old tweets don't age, they wait. And right now, Trevor Noah is trending for all the wrong reasons.